Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? Today we're gonna do another cleanup in this side of downtown Johannesburg. And yeah, it's actually a mess, but let's see what we can do today. We just have like 2 hours, so let's make it happen. And stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Okay, cool. I got some people already here. Okay, so let's do this today. It's called the Port Plain Park. So guys, this place is a mess. Yo! Beautiful shots. You guys see exactly where we are. So we're gonna need now our people around here to follow the teams, the cleaning teams around. Yeah. That beautiful graffiti right there. That's stunning. Already cutting the grass there. Sure, this block here has been neglected for a long time. Well, let's see what we can do here. Down there. I see here this place looks like disgusting. This is just one of the entrances to the highway. It smells bad. Okay, so some sure, this side of town looks bad, guys. Bad. You guys can see quite a mess. Yeah, man, that looks bad. Yo. So this area
also would be. Oh, really?
This area is like hectic. No, I know the area. I've been here, but yo, this is where we're cleaning up. My word, this is like, dude. Unreal. Just on the bucky now to capture some action, guys, because this is a lot of blocks to do this area here, because this area alone is like, yo, look at this. Jesus, man, look at this. This block alone is like, Jesus, man, look at that. Yo, this area is bad, bro. I'm telling you. Look at that.
Go.
This building seems like it was revamped, but look at the surroundings. Oh wow, so are you serious? They live inside of that place like that? That is crazy. Look at this. You can get fun parts for your car all over the show. It's our Oza people right there, guys. Like our Oza work guys. Look at them. Got a lot of action today. Yo, bro, this looks bad. Yo, man. Shame. You guys don't understand, the stench here is just overwhelming. Yo guys, the stench is just bad. Oh, clean it up. If you are, pick it up. I mean, if you watching this, clean it up. This guy's another hijacked building. Remember, poverty, homelessness, hijacked buildings. It's a mess, guys. It's a mess.
Senior management who wants to watch that.
Yo, this is bad, eh? This is really bad. Okay, yo, having this street like this is not acceptable, eh? See, they're talking there with
People are taking drugs.
It's just crazy, man. Yo. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, there you go. Yeah, and tomorrow will be a mess again. Okay, guys, so we already collected this, so good news. Something so simple, we just need to keep these areas controlled. We don't have these issues. All these unsung heroes. To hear you. Even the people cleaning are not believing what's happening here, guys. But look at this, guys. Jewel City is just there. Fortunately, it became a success. And then on the surrounding area, it just looks like this. We need to do definitely a CID. So this area here, it's like, yo. Wax there. Worried about this area because there on the sidewalks is like, yo, it's a lot of work to do here. So look at the difference. Yo! See, guys, this is what I'm saying. This is the proper thing of hijacked buildings. It is a mess. Oh, this is... Okay. Are these even legal shops or what?
You can see the cars that are standing here.
Oh, wow.
It's those chop and join. They buy a car that's completely broken,
And then they...
half and put it back together again.
Oh,
You
wow.
think you're getting a lacquer deal?
You're getting a Frankenstein car instead.
Yeah.
Yo, look at this, man.
It is road.
Yo, this is unbelievable. We need, guys, we need to do something here, eh? We need to do something here. No, this is really bad, man. This is really bad. We need to work. We need to work on the next. We need to turn this into a CID. We need to do something quick. Wait, like sheepshead and stuff here. Yo, look at that. So they're doing a local braai here. Okay. Interesting. You guys see that? All that stuff is full of heavy chemicals. That means if you guys braai with that, you're probably gonna get some serious, yeah, illness. Being back here, well, it's looking better. Let's be honest. It's looking better, but yeah, but these streets need to be transformed, and we need to do something here. Like seriously, this part of downtown needs to be changed.
On the side again there.
Sure, look at that. What is... That is just crazy. So this is the recycling corner, guys. They melt everything here, they take the cables or whatever, or copper or yada yada, and sell it. Yo, what a mess. So guys, look at this. Look at the illegal connections. Can you see, guys, the blue cables? Yeah, that's all illegal connections. And then those cables turn into yellow and blue cables. What is those things going to? Directly to some box?
Because of those wires that are open.
Oh wow. So these guys are probably legal, just getting like electricity for free. Right, you guys? We need to disconnect. Good.
See how fucked this road, sorry for French.
Look at that. Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
Look at that road, how bad it is.
No, this looks bad, eh? Yo, this area here looks a mess, guys. Really. It's a location here. Informal settlement.
If you go and look on the top here, and you look down, you'll check how many houses are here, because this wasn't here.
Oh wow.
That's a communal wash area.
Oh wow. Oh. Yay! We need to demolish this, clean it, and just put security here 24/7, guys. Yo, this area. That's next to Kwai Mai Mai. More garbage there. I'm just flabbergasted because something like this in 1 week you can turn this place around. Clean it, paint walls, demolish whatever you have to, you know, and make this part so it's so easy, so operational to change a place like this. Oh, nice graffiti right here, nice mural. Look at that. You see, guys, private people with their properties, how they keep everything nicely done. Can you guys see this? When they peel the cables, this is what basically looks like. Here you go. It's almost done, but yep. Some maintenance.
Kijk, if you want a grill.
Okay guys, so the park is being cleaned also, which is good. So this park was closed and it was revamped, which was a very good thing. So the side of the island needs to be taken. We need to do something. But this stuff is so operational. It's just clean, 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 done. Guys, when you throw something away, just keep it in mind that our cities, how they look, is literally a mirror of the citizens that live in it. So we need to make sure that these type of things, we shouldn't even be able to televise or YouTube these things, because it should be, you know, something normal, something that I remember back in the day we used to do this type of stuff, and it didn't have to be an event, you know what I mean? But yeah, we need really to change the culture in our country, guys. We need, every time you throw something out of the window of your car or in the taxi or throughout your window, you need to understand you're playing a big part in all this mess. That looks way better. You guys can see the number of bags just increased since we entered in the park, which is great news. You see, guys, this is what I'm afraid to happen in Bree Street. Now with all the new bricks, Lily and the guy. Yeah, this is what I'm afraid. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I got my people here from Also Works. Again guys, make sure to share, subscribe and destroy that like button and share this video. And we will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.